Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create vintage prints using one of Adobe's free downloads. Let's have a look at Photoshop. So we're going to create new. Now under the photo tab, let's click on that. What we're going to look for, there it is, look, free vintage instant film effect. That's the one we're going to use in this tutorial today. But you can see here, look, there's so many free templates that Adobe provide you to make your photos and your content more visual. But so in today's guide we're going to use the vintage instant film effect. So select that. Now we need to download that, obviously. So let's hit download, continue, and we wait for that to download. So whilst that's downloading, talk amongst yourselves. I'll be back as soon as that has downloaded. Right, that's downloaded, so let's select open, and in it pops. Okay, so if we look at the layers panel, what we want to do is open up the layer that says your photo here. And you can see here there's two aspects to this layer. There's the smart object thumbnail and the layer mask thumbnail. What you need to do is double click the smart objects thumbnail, and that will open up in a different tab, and then we're going to drop our photo into that layer there. Okay, so now what we want to do now is that we need to resize that photograph to fit this grey box. So in order to keep the proportions of that image, hold down shift and then we just drag out the photo to fit to the edges. Okay, and then hit return. If we come down to our layers here, we want to find the create new fill or adjustment layer. So we select that, and we're going to choose the Colour Lookup. So select that. Now, as I've said before, I've said time and time again that photography is subjective. I make no apologies for repeating myself when I say that, because it is. So what we do is you come up to Colour Lookup and basically have a flick through and see whichever takes your fancy. Have a flick through and see which one you prefer, because at the end of the day, it's what you like as a creative. So I quite like the soft warming look. So I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna select the soft warming look. And all we do then is we're happy with that. We're just gonna close that label, hit save, and then that will automatically drop into our vintage print. There we are, guys. That's pretty much it. So you could, if you wanted, to add add some text down here, add some alternative textures, but I just wanted to show you how quick and easy that was. Really, once you got past the initial download stage, actually creating that vintage photograph is very, very easy. Give it a go. Adobe provide you with these free templates, so there's no excuses not to get a little bit creative and produce something different, because at the end of the day, being different is what is going to get you noticed, and what is going to make you stand out from everybody else that's posting photographs on the internet today. So guys, look, give it a crack. Hope you found this useful. If you did, smash the like button. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment, let me know what you did or didn't like about it, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, then I hope you consider doing so. Guys, take care, and I shall see you next time.